Can you play music from a flash drive or SD card in a GTI or other Volkswagen? The answer is yes, and in this short video I'll show you everything you need to know. Your model might vary, but in this 2016 GTI, the USB port is located in the compartment in the center console. Simply plug the flash drive in and the radio will immediately recognize it. To access your music, press the media button. To view all tracks, tap the selection button, and then just select the song you want to listen to. Album tracks are stored in folders, and as you can see here, I've got 2 albums on this drive. These were ripped from CDs, so it's perfect for use here. But here's a useful tip. A regular flash drive is okay, but I prefer to use a super low profile drive from SanDisk, and here's why. The regular drive sticks out and can be bumped or broken if it gets caught on something, and that could even damage the USB port. On the other hand, the SanDisk drive is really small and completely out of the way, so it's really what I prefer to use. But did you know that you can also use SD cards to play music? This is great if you want to free up your USB port for other devices. Simply insert the SD card in the slot in the glove box, and right away it's ready to go. Again, to access music, press the media button. Then select source if you're not seeing content from your SD card. And like before, I can use the selection button to see all my tracks. I'll list all the storage devices I used in the description so it's easy for you to find. And here are some final tips. To eject the drive properly, it's better to unmount it in the menu first before removing the physical device. Also, memory cards should be formatted to FAT32 or exFAT. Compatible audio files for Volkswagens include MP3, AAC, WMA, WAV, and FLAC files. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.